Chapter 2, Describing Minerals. Minerals come in many different colors. They can be hard or soft. They can be many shapes and sizes. Describing minerals helps us to identify them. Describing a mineral's color may be easy, but color is not the best way to identify a mineral. A mineral may not always have the same color. Sometimes different atoms get trapped inside a mineral when it forms. These different atoms can change the color of the mineral. As you can see, the mineral on the left is quartz and it is pink, but the mineral on the right is also quartz, but that piece of quartz has a grayish color. How hard is that mineral? A better way to describe a mineral is by testing its hardness. Some minerals are very soft. One soft mineral is called talc. A person's fingernail can scratch talc. Talc is a soft mineral. Other minerals are hard. Quartz is much harder than talc. A metal nail is not hard enough to scratch quartz, but a diamond can scratch quartz. Diamond is the hardest mineral of them all. It says diamonds are the hardest mineral. A diamond can even scratch glass. A mineral scale. Scientists compare the hardness of different minerals. They use a special scale. This scale gives numbers to minerals. Soft minerals have low numbers. Hard minerals have high numbers. Hard minerals can scratch soft minerals. The higher a mineral's number is, the more minerals it can scratch. Streak plates. A tool called a streak plate also helps us to study minerals. A streak plate is made of white tile. People scrape minerals across streak plates. Some of the minerals make colored lines on the plates. Different minerals make lines that are different colors. The lines are tiny bits that have scraped off of the minerals. A mineral called hematite makes a reddish-brown streak. The mineral quartz makes a white streak. How does it break? Some minerals break apart in a special way. The broken edges have smooth, flat surfaces. The arrangement of the mineral's atoms make them break this way. Mica is a mineral that breaks apart in flat surfaces. A person can pull mica apart into very thin sheets. Mica is easy to identify by the way it breaks. Halite and galena can be identified by the way they break too. They break smoothly in more than one direction. Their flat, broken edges make pieces shaped like cubes. It says galena breaks smoothly in more than one direction. Sparkly, shiny, oily, or dull. The way a mineral surface looks helps scientists to identify it. Light makes diamonds' flat surface sparkle brightly like glass. Some minerals look like shiny metal. It says this mineral is galena. Its surface shines like metal. Some minerals look as if they have oil on their surfaces. Other minerals look dull. Their surfaces do not shine. It says this mineral is turquoise. It has an oily surface.